Good day, sir. So now we're going to present our cloud computing project. And I'm Yongsin. In our group, we have Harry, Prabandran, and also Kaibe as well. All right, so this is the content list of our presentations. All right, so we're using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. And for the back end, we're using the PHP and MySQL. So for this website is actually an e-commerce MX site to manage the asset, which is the crops. So as you can see in this picture, so it showed each of the attributes of the crops, which is a column, and also the record of the crops as well. So this is a home page. And then for the AWS service we have used to host our project first, we create a VPC and sell the gateway as well, and also the subnet and route tables. And then for the EC2 service, we have set up an instance as for the server and also create an image for this server, which is this MI. And then we have set up the launch template for the config and also the security groups for the protocols, and also the load balancer for the traffic handler and the target group and auto scaling group as well. So for the RDS, we have used to set up the database as well. And now I'll pass to Kaipe to introduce our each step of the phases.
In this initial phase, we create and set up the VPC service. We laid the groundwork by setting up our website on a single EC2 instance. This instance serves both the front end and the back end functionalities, allowing the user to interact with the site and enabling database operation. Well, this setup provides simplicity in deployment. We acknowledge the potential challenge in scalability as our website grew. Nevertheless, having a MySQL database running directly on the EC2 instance facilitates early development stage. Moving on to phase 2, we make significant enhancement to our website architecture. We realize the importance of segregating the front end and the back end component for improved scalability, reliability, and security. While the front end remains on the original EC2 instance to ensure continuity for users. We transitions the back-end functionality to a dedicated RDS MySQL instance. This migration not only boosts performance but also streamline maintenance tasks, empowering our development team to focus on enhancing user experience and also the feature. In phase 3, we took a big leap in fortifying our website architecture for enhanced availability and fault tolerance. Introducing an elastic load balancer, which is ELB, allows us to evenly distribute incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances to deploy across different availability zones, which is AZS. This strategy setup ensures uninterrupted accessibility even in the face of exact failure. By intelligently directing traffic to healthy EC2 instance, the ELB becomes our central gateway for user requests. Meanwhile, our database residing on RDS remain resilient against failure and capable of handling varying traffic demand. Finally, phase 4 brought optimization through dynamic scaling with auto-scaling. Integrating EC2 instance hosting the front end into an auto-scaling group, which is ASG, enables us to adjust the instance count automatically based on predefined criteria, such as CPU utilization or incoming traffic. This dynamic scaling scalability not only ensure efficiency resource utilization, but also enhance the cost effectiveness with our website infrastructure seamlessly adapting to workload change. We achieve higher level of resilience and adaptability, empowering us to deliver exceptional user experience.
Good morning, sir. I'm Harry. Today, I will be demonstrating the admin side of our cloud shop system that developed through this project. So, sir, as you can see, this is the main page of the system. Once we access to the website, we are immediately direct to the dashboard. Here on the left side, we have our main navigation panel where we can select different modules of our admin site. But currently, we only have the product and service, which can be expanded to the clothes section. Okay, so in the cloud section, we will see the current cloud list displayed in the center of the page. This list is the core of our inventory management, so which also allow us to perform various of action with easy lah. So the clothes list contain with multiple columns, including clothes ID, clothes name, clothes type, clothes brand, clothes size, clothes price, and clothes stock. For each row represent a different item in our inventory lah. So now there are several clothes in our clothes list. Later on, I will introduce with Sir the three types of action that we can take as administrator using this system, which is add, edit, and delete. So first, I will introduce how to add the new clothes by using our system. So when we click on the Add Clothes button, we will be navigate to this interface. So before we add the new clothes, we must fill all the clothes information. Okay, let's say if you want to add a new clothes and the clothes name is called Adidas Performance Jacket, and we set the clothes type as jacket. Okay, so select. And we expand the drop down to choose the brand Adidas. Next is the clothes size. I think we can set as XL lah, XL. And the clothes price in current market is 280. And last is the clothes stock. Maybe we set as 100. Okay, after we fill in all the clothes information, we can click the add button. Okay, then the system will prompt up the clothes add successfully message. So sir, now you can look at the clothes list. The new clothes, which is the Adidas Performance Jacket, is already appeared in the list. There is the add function of our system. Now I will explain the edit function of the system. So sir, as you can see, just now we already add one new clothes to our admin system, right? So let's say if we suddenly realize that, oh, we made a mistake when we fill in the clothes information. So we can just click the edit button to edit the clothes information. So we click the edit button. Okay, for example, the actual clothes size is double XL. So we just select the correct clothes size from the radio button. And maybe we also set a wrong clothes stock, the quantity we set wrong. We can just click on the input field to modify the clothes quantity. Here we set the new clothes stock as 120. After we finish the modification, we can click on the update button. Now the system will prompt out the clothes update successfully message. So sir, you can look at the clothes list. The changes is already reflect in the clothes list, which is the clothes size and stock. Now I will introduce the last function, which is the delete function in our system. So sir, as you can see, there is only one stock left of the Nike T-shirt V in the cloth stock. So if this cloth is out of print, we as the admin need to remove these clothes from the cloth list. To remove the Nike T-shirt V, we can click on the delete button. At this time, the system will prompt up a confirmation message to confirm whether we really want to delete these clothes or not. So if we already confirm that we want to delete it, we can click the OK button. Now the Nike T-shirt V has been successfully deleted. So if you want to add these clothes again, we need to click the add button and reveal all the information about these clothes. So that's all for my demonstration. Now I will pass the presentation to the next person. Thank you, sir.
Reflection. First, we began by developing a PHP web app on Amazon EC2, then progressively enhanced it with Amazon RTS, Elastic LP, and auto scaling. For the success, our strategy optimization of cloud resource led to high availability and redundancy, segregating front-end and back-end components, significant improved scalability, reliability, and security. For the improvement area, while successful, we identify areas for improvement, particularly in the initial setup phase when detailed planning could have streamlined process. Better communication would have ensured smoother coordination. For key lessons, adaptability and flexibility were crucial as we navigate evolving requirements. We learned the importance of resilience and resourcefulness in overcoming obstacles. The project also facilitated personal growth through hands-on experience with cloud technologies. In conclusion, our journey in developing this e-commerce platform on the cloud has been both challenging and rewarding. By reflecting on our experience, identifying areas for improvement, and building upon our success, we laid a solid foundation for our future endeavors in cloud computing and beyond. Thank you.